also receive the following: Outstanding Performance in Performing Arts, Outstanding Performance in Social Science, Leadership Award, Best in Work Immersion, Buhanginan and Whiteson Service Award, Governor's Academic Excellence Award, Drum and Lyre Corps Member, and she will also receive a leadership certificate and a gift certificate from Pandayan Bookshop. May I read the content of the certificate? Pandayan Bookshop, kabalikat sa pag-aaral. This certificate is proudly presented to Micaela A. Obsina in recognition of your outstanding leadership, dedication, and commitment to excellence and for possessing the qualities of courage, humility, and honesty. Your exemplary leadership skills and ability inspire others to have made a significant impact. Given this 30th day of March 2026, signed by Managing Director Mr. Gerardo B. Cabronchan Jr. and our Program Director Sir Jamil Jeremiah T. Cabral. And of course, you will also receive the medal and the gift certificate. Not only that, because Micaela will receive an award also from Jerry Rojas Foundation Leadership Award.